Hello friends, this is me, Pedro Luis Galindo Herrera. I am 30 years old. I was born in Sogamoso, Boyacá. I have been working as patrolman of the Colombian National Police for 4 years. I married civilized white loving woman. My family is made of all my these two older brothers and youth sister, my beautiful wife and my good cat Zeus. I am very worried mad dedication of my work and my family. I, I consider my of a strong character but a wide affection while the people love. I like to travel while my wildlife to Blazer social. With my teammates, I love this diversity of Colombia food and the speak Mexican food. I do not like soup food at the on the eat at almost right. I do not like to discussion why annoy and eat at lies and presentation to finish with you about my Roy die start very early. I find in the morning some exercise. I reference show and delicious breakfast. I love for the battalion and 30 my days is diving into activities such as morning train races and activities of the entity. I routed home for dinner on sharing with my Wi-Fi. Bye bye.